Welcome to Turbo Talk. Today let's dive into the all-new 2025 Kia Sorento Hybrid, now locally assembled in Pakistan. This 7-seater hybrid SUV is here to redefine premium family travel with smart tech, powerful efficiency, and bold design. Let's break it all down. 1. Exterior design. The 2025 Sorento Hybrid features a modern and muscular stance, with a wide tiger nose grille, sleek LED headlamps, DRLs, and a sharp rear profile. It looks both upscale and athletic. Chrome accents, roof rails, and 19-inch alloy wheels give it a refined SUV presence on the road. 2. Interior comfort. Step inside and you're welcomed by a tech-rich cabin. The dual 12.3-inch panoramic displays give a clean, futuristic vibe. Leather seats, ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, and tri-zone climate control ensure top-tier comfort for all 7 passengers. The third row folds easily for added cargo space. 3. Powertrain performance. Under the hood, the 1.6-liter turbocharged petrol engine is paired with an electric motor, producing a combined 227 horsepower and 350 Nm of torque. Whether you choose FWD or AWD, it offers a smooth and confident ride. Expect around 15 km/h fuel efficiency, great for long drives and city commutes alike. 4. Features. Technology. The Sorento Hybrid is packed with features like wireless Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, wireless charging, smart tailgate, and a Bose 12-speaker system. On AWD variant, drive modes include normal, eco, sport, and smart A+ snow, mud, and sand modes for AWD. Everything's built for smart, safe driving. 5. Safety. Safety is a strong suit with ADAS, advanced driver assistance systems, including lane keep assist, blind spot detection, adaptive cruise control, front, rear parking sensors, and 6 airbags. Torque vectoring. AWD and a rigid structure make it dependable for family use. 6. Price. Warranty. The Sorento Hybrid is available in 2 variants, FWD at PKR 14,699,000, AWD at PKR 15,999,000. It also comes with an 8-year/160,000 kilometers battery warranty, offering long-term peace of mind. Thank you for joining us.